Do you want to post a video on your Facebook page? You can upload videos on Facebook page with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to post a video on your Facebook page. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Posting a video on a Facebook page involves sharing video content with the followers of your page. Posting a video on a Facebook business page is uploading a video to your page's timeline or feed, making it visible to the page's followers and visitors. This video content can vary in length, format, and topic, depending on the goals and types of the page. To post a video on your Facebook page, first, open a Facebook app on your mobile device. Go to your Facebook business page where you want to upload and post a video. Once you are on the business page, tap on the What's on Your Mind box located at the top of your page's timeline. Tap on the Photo/Video option. This will open a File Explorer window on your computer. Navigate to the location on your device where the video is saved and select it. Write a caption or description for your video in the text box provided. You can also tag people, add locations, and include hashtags if desired. You can also edit and customize your post further by cropping and adding filters to the video. Once you're satisfied with your post, tap on the Next button from the top of the screen. Again, tap on the Post button from the top right of the screen to share your video on your Facebook page. By following these simple steps, your video will now be posted on your Facebook business page. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.